Hello my friends and welcome to today's guide. Got an Uber promo code to save on your next ride in 2025. I'll show you how to apply it in the Uber app to get that discounts. So first grab a valid code from Uber's emails, social media or sites like Groupon. Examples include new 70 for 70% off first rides in Ireland, or Uber MC30 for 30% off per X posts. Check the code's terms on Uber's websites for expiry dates or restrictions, like for example new user only or specific cities. Open Uber app, tap the profile icon in the bottom and select Wallet. Scroll to Promotions and tap Add Promo Code. Manually type the code, do not copy paste as it can fail per Uber's help page. Hit Add. Active codes show with their expiry and eligible areas. Only one code applies per ride, with the highest discount used first, says Uber. So before requesting a ride, enter your destination and select your ride type, like UberX. Tap the payment method, ensure the promo code is listed, and confirm it's applied. It won't work after booking. Book your ride and the discounts shows on your receipts. If cancelled, the code may count as used. Code not working, update the app, check for typos, or confirm it's valid. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video and it helped, share the video below with your friends. Like and subscribe and ring the bell for more tips. See you next time.